Today, we'll be asking Australians about some of their investing habits. How do you think about investing, or could you describe investing in maybe 3 words?
Research.
Well, it can be risky, it can be exciting, but it can also be rewarding.
Time consuming, patience, you've got to have patience, you've got to learn.
I think it can be pretty complex, a bit difficult, confusing, but also rewarding.
I don't know.
That is 3 words.
Yeah, that is 3 words.
Any bad investing habits that you've got, or a bad investing story?
Yeah, definitely. I got swept up in the crypto thing. A few of those like meme coins or whatever I did not make money on.
Definitely a bad investing habit is investing in things I'm passionate about. I once invested in Ubisoft games, bought that at probably 19 euros and sold it for 17.
I wasn't patient. I wanted to see the result very quickly.
Worrying too much about it. Kind of the opposite of what I should do.
Taking money out of my savings to invest.
Not really knowing, what the truth is, where to put our money. If I was looking for good investments, I really would like to have someone I can trust in to help guide us. Is there anything that bothers you about investing right now?
All of my mates reckon the recession's coming.
I think one of the things is the amount of information that's out there, trying to sift through. I don't want to spend all day doing this. I just want to do it, as minimal as I can to get the best return I can. So I think the amount of information that's out there to me is one of the difficulties.
Knowing where to even start, I guess. It's so complicated. There's crypto, there's all these other options. I wouldn't even know where to go.
I think it's pretty complicated. There's a lot of conflicting advice on investing. Funds can charge you fees that really eat into your returns.
As a first-time investor, it could be a bit overwhelming. There's so many, funds to choose from. You don't know which ones you want to invest in.
If you haven't invested before, trying to take the initial leap in, because there's a ton of platforms. I guess, when you don't want to dive in and look at the fees and, all the brokerage fees, etc.
Maybe just having a simple app that has the information in one easy to read spot and knowing the jargon, I guess. I think that's the thing that confuses me too.
Have you heard of Betashares Direct? No, Betashares Direct.
I have not heard of Betashares Direct.
No, I have not.
No.
No, what's Betashares Direct?
Betashares Direct is our new investing platform built for better investing, zero brokerage on all ASX-listed ETFs, as well as ASX 300 shares. Automated investing and pre-built portfolios built by our investment experts to really help drive long-term wealth creation. How does that sound?
That sounds really cool. It sounds like a good place to start, at least.
Wow, that sounds great. You'll have to get me onto that.
Sounds good.
I added to my watch list.
It looks like I'm going to have to check it out.
Get Betashares Direct today. Better investing starts here.